Good evening, the good people of Kano State. This is a public announcement on the enforcement of the 24 hours curfew by Kano State government. In view of the constitutional mandate of the Nigeria Police Force, alongside the relevant internal security and law enforcement agencies to preserve the law and order in the state, the Kano State Police Command have mapped out strategies on that direction and call on the good people of the state to give the necessary confidence and support. Going forward, Kano State residents are called upon to note that combined security forces have already been dispatched to the nooks and crannies, including the entry and exits of the state, to ensure enforcement and strict compliance of the 24 hours curfew order as communicated by the Kano State government via a letter with reference number K/SEC/H/435/T.1/153 dated 20th September 2023, taking effect from 6 p.m. of Wednesday to 20th September to 6 p.m. of Thursday, 21st September 2023. Violators will be arrested and made to pay the full wrath of the law. Finally, I wish to appreciate all the peace-loving people of the state and urge them to remain law-abiding, as it is in the best interest of all that we come together to maintain law and order in the state. Thank you very much.